Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. It is from Supreme Week 18, and if you guys forgot, it was the Supreme and Spitfire collaboration they did, and I'm pretty sure the Supreme SOG Axe also released that week. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open these packages. Alright guys, so if you guys didn't know, I did get two things from Supreme Week 18. I know for sure that I told you guys that I got one thing from Supreme Week 18, which was a Supreme Spitfire white t-shirt, which I don't know which is in which package. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one right here. So let's crack it on open. I hate opening these packages, they're really the worst. But anyways, as soon as I get this package open, I will show you guys what is in it, of course. So first, let's just go ahead and pop it right on out of there. So everything, let's just make sure there's no stickers in here, because sometimes they don't put it in the bag. Alright, nothing in here, put it off to the side. Go ahead and grab the Supreme bag. Now, it looks like everything is secure in the Supreme bag. Let's go ahead and take it out. And right here, as you can see, we have a Supreme Spitfire t-shirt. Now this is the black colorway with a yellow and orange swirl, as you could say, in the middle. And now this is not for my personal collection. This is for, I'm selling this to a friend. So my friend will be buying this, so I'm not going to open it the rest of the way up. But there is one, I think there's one sticker in here. Yeah, there's one sticker and no special collaboration stickers. The sticker looks pretty beat up. It's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really bent, and there's like color, discoloration on the sticker. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's like all black and stuff. No, that's weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the bag for mi amigo, and go ahead and open up the other package. Hopefully this one doesn't take as long. I'm just gonna rip right into it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and slide it on out of the package, throw this to the side. We'll make sure there's no stickers in there later, but here we go again. Looks like everything is secure inside the Supreme bag. Let's go and open this bad boy open. Now once again, it looks like we only have one sticker. I'm going to put this one in my collection because the other one goes to mi amigo, and put this bag in the collection as well. And now this one is the, at first I thought this was blue and red, but actually it's blue and pink. I thought it would be cooler if it was blue and red, but that's okay. It is blue and pink. It is the Supreme Swirl, and now I'm going to go ahead and just take this out of the package, cut it at a really nice fine line on there. Alright, screw it. I'm ripping it open. Alright guys, so here we go. This is the Supreme Swirl t-shirt right here. Look at that bad boy. Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try. On the website, it looks like it messes with your head a little more, but in person it does as well, especially on this little one. It like actually moves. It's kind of weird, but that's about it for the video, guys. That is the Supreme Spitfire collaboration unboxing from Supreme Week 18. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to check out my channel for more unboxings like this. And don't forget to come back Saturday, which is tomorrow, for the Yeezy Butter release. I'm going to be trying to do a live cup on that if I can. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.